So hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, J Sotastic. So what? It is 2024 and I have a compilation of outfits that I want to share with you today. Things that I have either thrifted or made, put together, DIY in 2023. It's not a lot of them, and I added some things that I made before the year ended and I want to share them with you. So thanks for hitting that button and clicking on my channel and coming back for the new year. Hopefully your girl will have some special things going on. She got some DIYs and revampings, and I said that excuse me y'all, that I would not be purchasing any clothing for 2024. I am going to have to do a complete savings revamp, and this is going to allow me to do that because I won't be buying any clothes. I don't know about accessories, but because if I see something like the Michael Kors boots you're going to see later on in this video, I might have to pick them up, okay? So with that said, y'all, let's get into this video, and I'm so glad that you came to join me today on the first day of the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like the video, and leave me a comment below so that I know what your thoughts are about the outfits. Would you wear them? Would you not wear them? Be nice, y'all. Be nice. You know what your mama said. If you ain't got nothing good to say, yep, that's what you do. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a happy new year, and I wish you blessings upon blessings. Love you guys. Thank you for coming back. All right, let's get it popping in 2024. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Hey, okay.